What's up, YouTube? All right, coming at you with an update about the BEM auto lockable fuel cap. Okay, so we did a video on this a few weeks ago. When we posted it, we were kind of informed that we may not have locked it down properly. Maybe it didn't give quite the correct information completely, so we're going to do a recap on it and just show you for sure what we're doing. Okay, so when you put it on, you want to make sure that you lock it all the way down, so that way this seal right here is pressed up all the way against the filler cap. Then if you see the locking tab here, how it's extended out past the housing, whenever you seat it or when you lock it down, you want to make sure, trying to hold this in the camera, you want to make sure that it is recessed just like that. Okay, if it's not recessed like that, this little locking tab here will not lock it down correctly. So we're going to scoot in and we'll show you what it looks like to install it properly and seat it down all the way. There you go. So the installation is super simple, just like your regular fuel cap. You want to place it into the filler nozzle. You want to rotate it around, and in the first video, once it started snugging down, I believe we did just a little bit of turn and then we stopped. But what we really need to do is you need to cinch it all the way down until it completely stops. This ensures that the seal makes contact with the filler neck, and then whenever you lock it down, it will lock all the way. And in the first video, I think that we had it locked somewhere in there, and you can see that it's flush, but it's not recessed, and that's not locked down properly. So you want to ensure that you can spin it all the way down, and once again you want to go until you feel resistance and then stop. You don't want to force it. And now you can see that the locking tab is actually recessed in the hole, and it does not move now. If you go to take it off and it's a little tight and you can't unlock it, simply give it a little twist to tighten it, just a slight amount, and then that'll enable the locking tab to release, and then you can unscrew it with ease and then take the fuel cap off and you're done.